You wouldn't believe how many ovens I get called out to that just stopped working, when really the issue's with how they were installed. If your electric oven keeps tripping the breaker, heating unevenly, or cutting out altogether, chances are it's not the oven that's the problem. I've seen so many installs done wrong. Undersized cables, no proper isolation, and setups that don't meet UK wiring regs. All of that can cause major headaches later on. So in this video, I'll show you what to look for and how a proper, safe and compliant installation should be done.
Hi, welcome to All Installation. Today we're going to install a oven. So we have a electric oven. It has a plug, so we know it's suitable for 13 amp. But come and have a look at this. This is exactly how the last electrician installed this, and the delivery guy came and left the oven and says it doesn't comply, which it doesn't. So we're going to set this up so it can function and be compliant.
Yay!
We're going to install a single socket, so stay tuned and have a look at how we do that. Okay, so our back box is in for the supply. We're gonna check this appliance and just ensure that it's off, because the wiring is dodgy, so we're not trusting it. So turn on this so that it does operate from the spur. Alright, so when you test your cable for power, the first test you do is earth to live. We've got 230. Earth to neutral. We're in the brain dead. I done live to earth. I done earth to neutral. Live to neutral. Alright, so that's the sequence of tests that you do. You always work with the earth first, because the earth is your protection. So you want to ensure that that is where it's supposed to be. So you test it against the neutral for polarity. Okay, alright. Okay, So we've installed the socket for the oven, and this cable, as you see here, was probably too short for the hob in the first instant, and they've put a junction box, which is okay. I probably screwed to the wall, it was me myself, but it's accessible, so for maintenance purposes you can get to the connection, but junction box is like a swear word to me, but okay. All right. Okay, so the last part is just screwing the 2 screws for the oven. That's it. The oven is installed. All right. So that's how you install an oven. Please consider the power. Depends on the type of oven that you have. If it's induction or if it's a more powerful fan assisted oven. Then you need to ensure that you got the right size cable.
Nice.
All right, so another fantastic installation again. Happy customer. Thanks for watching, and hit the like button. See you in another epic video. Thank you.